When I came across Alyssa's vocal empowerment coaching program, I immediately loved that she offered both life coaching and voice lessons. I thought that was a really unique combination that I hadn't seen anywhere else before. Vocal empowerment is so much more than just singing. It's a lot about finding your inner voice and honing in on those inner narratives that program your life. And it's about rewriting them. So, when I started coaching with Alyssa, I wanted to gain clarity and learn how to trust both my singing voice and my inner voice. And I was frustrated that I was standing in my own way and letting fear and self doubt creep in. But together, Alyssa and I took a look at some of those inner narratives that I had constructed and we rewrote them. Alyssa helped me find courage. She pushed me to sing louder, which is something that I had always been afraid of doing. And slowly, I found myself releasing my fears in so many different areas of my life. She encouraged me, reminded me of my strength, and offered me fresh perspective when I needed it. Alyssa has so much insight to share, and her words of wisdom have given me so many aha moments. Our work together really helped me gain clarity, self trust, and inner peace. Because of that safe container that she provides, I genuinely look forward to each session and I always walk away feeling better than I came in. Alyssa's truly a gifted healer, and if you're someone who's looking for clarity and wants to become the truest version of you, you don't have to do it alone. Alyssa's the coach for you. She will empower you and offer you incredible insights, and she will gently push you to becoming the best version of you. I highly recommend Alyssa. She is by far one of the kindest, most genuine, and supportive coaches that I've ever worked with.